Beautifuls, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm unboxing one of my favorite boxes of the month. This is the Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. This is more like a lifestyle box for women, and it's a black owned company, and every month you receive various products in here along with a t-shirt every month for your box. The box costs $39.95 plus $4.95 for shipping and handling and taxes if you're in a state with taxes. So this is my box for the month of April 2022. This box does ship at the end of the month, and if you're not familiar with them, you do have a chance to manage your own subscription, so you can pause it, restart it, however you choose to do it in advance, a couple of months in advance actually, which I think is a bonus. But for now, guys, let's get into this box. Okay, so I love the fact, I have to point out, I love the girls on the front. This is their 5-year anniversary edition box, so I wanted to point that out to you guys. And guys, this box does come with a little booklet here that tells you information when you first open it up about what products you have in here. They also have like playlists and recipes and different little articles in here. Nice little read when you have nothing to do. So let's get started. So the first product out of my box here is actually a cup here. We have a Living Life Like It's Golden mug here is what they're calling this, and I think it's cute. It comes in 2 colors, and this has a $15 value, which I think is neat. So you guys can see that there are 2 color options for this mug. There was a purple, I have the pink. I love the fact that it says living this life like it's golden. It makes it so much fun for me. So I do like this, and especially with the summertime right around the corner, you know, we gotta have our beverage when we go out. So this is perfect. The next item I'm pulling out of here, let's see, we have a purse. Okay, so it's a statement mini satchel bag, and it is valued at $32. Okay, so this is the bag, and on the front of it, it says unbossed. And let me open her up, and we have straps inside, guys. You know I'm a bag person, so this is right up my alley. Let me take the stuffing out. So this is how big the bag is inside. So this is cute, and you have the straps. So let's put the straps on, and they're adjustable, as you can see. So let's go ahead and attach the straps. This is so cute. I like this, and it's all pink, like it's ready for like the spring. That is so cute, guys. So this is our bag, and again, it's a statement mini satchel, and it has a value of $32. There is no pocket or nothing, but this is good enough size to like put your phone in. My phone fits in with no problem, and you can put some other things in here. So how cute is that? Ready for the summer and springtime with this color. And guys, this pocketbook did come in a total of 4 colors. So if you see right here, these are the other options. There's a blue, there's a yellow, and there's a purple. So I think that's awesome. How cute is that? So unbossed. Cool. So our next item we're going to pull out, guys, Izzy and Liv Black Girl Illustrated Wall Collage Kit. This is different. So guys, this has a value of $28, and it's a 100-piece art card set here. So you can do wall collage with these pieces, or you can give them away as postcards. So I'm just going to go through a few just to show you guys what they look like. You could pin them to your wall, or you could pin them to like a board or something like that, or have them hanging from like one of the little clothespin little picture lines. It would be really, really cute. But you get all these little different images. I think that's great. The back of the card has nothing on the back, so you could include it with a gift if you're giving it to somebody, and write a few words on there. But I thought that was neat. And I mean, like, there's so many images in here, like so many different ones. How really nice. I really like that. That is so cool. I've never seen anybody do that before. So that's neat. So that is the Black Girl Illustrated Wall Collage Set with 100 pieces of the art cards inside, valued at $28. So we're moving on to our next item. I was surprised to see this. We have a book, guys. So they have included Gabrielle Union's prior book in this subscription before, and I do have it, and I think that one was called I Think We're Going to Need More Wine. So this is a follow-up to that book, and this one is called You Got Anything Stronger, which I think is awesome. This book has a value of $28. The description we have with our booklet says that this book gives you a raw and vulnerable and powerful view of the author Gabrielle Union here, and this is a follow-up to her last book. So I think that's pretty awesome that we have a book. I am a reader, although lately it's been taking me longer to read books because I have too many things to do. But I am looking forward to reading this book, and it will be on my list. So that's pretty awesome. That is so nice. I'm glad we got that. Really nice. So guys, we are winding down. We have our t-shirt. So at every box for Izzy and Liv, we always get a t-shirt. This one looks to be longer than a t-shirt. Okay, let me pull it out of here. Okay, so this is the shirt that we have for the month. And this one's pretty long. This would probably be like to like mid-thigh on me. Normally they're a bit shorter, but I like the design on the front. I think it's really, really cute. And I love the fact we always get a t-shirt. So if you're like a t-shirt and jeans person like me, I love little sayings and pictures and stuff on the front. And I think this is really, really cute. So that is nice. And this is a size large, guys. That is the size that I typically get with them. And this looks like it has a lot of room in it, so it won't be tight at all whatsoever. So I'm really excited to be able to put this one on. How cute. Now, guys, I did realize that something was missing from my box, and I already called on it in advance. So I was supposed to receive, in addition to this box, was a Brown Sugar Girl notebook, which is right here, and that has a $15 value. For some reason, it did not get packed inside of my box. I did reach out to the customer service department. They are going to go ahead and mail me the notebook that I was supposed to receive, and I should have that in probably a week or two. So that is the one thing missing. And guys, out of all the years that I've been with them, this is probably the first time I have not got something that was supposed to be in a box. And then we have a bonus product in the box from last month, because last month they did not get the robes in time that we were supposed to have. We were supposed to have a luxury robe, and this is the robe right here. I like the color, and the robe is also in a large as well. So let me just pull it out so you guys can see it. So this is the robe here, and I'm gonna just stand up real quick so I can put this on and show you guys. So I'm gonna try it on real quick so you can see it. So guys, this is the t-shirt that we have from the Izzy and Liv box, and it fits really good. It's a large. Kind of just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. It does stop just above my knee, so I feel like this shirt could be worn as a dress. So guys, I have the robe on. I think it's fitting really well. This is a large size. I think it looks good. It's stopping about mid-calf on me, which is perfect. So guys, a quick review of what we have. We have our Living Our Life Like It's Golden cup here. We have our beautiful pocketbook, unbossed, very springtime colors with the adjustable strap. We also have our beautiful robe here. Very pretty, looks good on me. And we have our t-shirt. And we have our book. And we have a wall collage kit. And the only thing I'm missing is just, again, the notebook, which they're going to send to me since it did not get packed. This is a box that costs $39.95 plus shipping and handling, and you receive this box every month. And again, it's like a lifestyle box. Every month they have a different theme. Guys, let me know what you thought about this box. I always have so much fun when I get this box. I never know what's going to be in here, and it's always like a nice little surprise. So we get some very cool things in this box, and I really enjoy getting this box. So guys, let me know what you think about this box. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. I do post videos weekly. You can stay up to date with me on all my latest unboxings and hauls. But for now, guys, bye.